said to you. Just take the video and post what he said to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a video. This is how you're treating the fucking animal. Yeah, no, the way you're speaking to me and then talking about the animal, you should get a different job. There's a fuck, look at it, see how you did that? Something's fucking literally wrong with you. Yeah. Did you see that? Okay, yeah. Treating a fucking animal like that.